I felt like in my career, I learned the best when I got my hands dirty, got in and actually built it, wired it, programmed it, whatever it may be. And that's how we want to emulate. We want our students to do the same thing, and they really excel at that.
The placement of our students and the retention at jobs is so good. I think last year we had 72 companies and 19 graduates wanting our students. And so that tells us that we're doing something right with the students.
It's nice when they come in because I mean they're obviously driven to do electrical. You know, this is a passion they have. It's what they want to do. So it's nice. They come in, they hit the ground running. The college education itself has been really good for them, and getting out here on the floor, getting more, I'll say, practical terms, it does help out a lot.
Getting into this program and going through just the fundamentals, Clint's fundamentals class, it opens your eyes to how much is actually out there for, like, electricity is everything. Everything, like from telecommunications to lights, to these motors that we have in here. It's literally everything. It's how our world keeps going.
A lot of these companies are doing trades that maybe we don't even teach in here, but the foundation of the education that they learn here helps propel them into those roles, and the transition is very smooth, and it's very, very cool to see.